Good evening, students. Today we are going to see about the constituents of skeleton. Skeleton system, it is consist of three important things which are called as bones, cartilages and ligaments. Okay, bones are nothing but as usual skull, for example skull, ribs or the thigh bone, anything you can say. Cartilage are nothing but they will be little bit flexible bone. So those bones we can call it as cartilages. So for example, tip of the nose, if you touch and see, it will be bent. It can bend. So tip of nose tip and external ear. Even the ear, if you see, it can bend little bit. Even though they are made up of bones, but they are cartilageous bones since it is flexible in nature. And the next one, if you see, ligaments. Ligaments are nothing but it's a connective tissue which bind the bones together. Two bones will be bound together by the help of this ligaments. Next we are going to see about the longest bone in our body, the arm and the leg, that is thigh bone, limb we can say. Short bone, it is nothing but wrist, the place where you will wear the watch, ankle and vertebral column. Flat bones are nothing but skull, ribs, hip. All those we can see the bone will be little bit flat in nature. Irregular bones means it will be different in shape. Unique shape cannot be found out. So it is called irregular in shape. Spinal, vertebral column and mandible bones. So these are all the bones which are irregular in shape. Next we are going to see about the skeleton. So if you see here, the skeleton part, it is classified into two types. One is axial skeleton, appendicular skeleton. So this in detail we will see in the next class. About axial skeleton, what are all the things coming under, appendicular, what are all the bones coming under this we can see. Axial skeleton system, it is nothing but it consists of skull, ribs and sternum and vertebral column. Skull, the place where your the bone which protect the brain, it is called skull bone. Clear? And next if you see, skull bone, I told you it protect the brain, and ribs and sternum, it is nothing but the chest bone we can say. And the next one, vertebral column, it is nothing but the spinal cord, the backbone we can say. Clear? Next, appendicular skeleton, if you see, it is pectoral girdle, pelvic girdle. Pectoral girdle or nothing but it is the attachment of arm, that is the hand region, upper limbs, arm part, hands we can say. The pelvic girdle are nothing but they are the attachment of legs, that is lower limbs we can say. Clear? So flow chart it is. Next, the question, explain about the constituents of skeleton in detail and draw the flow chart about the skeleton, both axial and appendicular skeleton. You want to make a flow chart. Clear, children? So complete your homework. Thank you.